Well, that's the new way to paint a car. I still do it the old-fashioned way. And I recently did when my mother's car was damaged in a hit and run. Her old Honda had the bumper bashed in. It looked pretty bad, but if you know what to do, well, disaster can be averted. So there it is, the aftermath of a hit and run. This old Honda Accord has low miles on it. Certainly it's worth fixing, and the damage isn't as bad as it looks. After all, the bumper is only made of plastic. It's flexible, so we hook up a garden hose to a hot water supply and use the hot water to heat up the plastic. It makes it flexible. Lay underneath and push hard enough, and the bumper springs back into place. We're lucky because the bumper wasn't cracked. The surface is marred, so we need to sand it down, clean it up, prime it, and now we're water sanding, and we're going to get the primer nice and smooth and paint it. The result? A repair that looks as good as new. And because this car has only about 50,000 miles on it, it has plenty of life left ahead of it.